Hello everybody, let's have a quick look at how we can prove a new formula for the area of a triangle. Now, first of all, in this next unit of work, we are going to be dealing with scalene triangles. So this means we cannot use the same labeling as we usually use. There's no hypotenuse now, and we also can't use SOHCAHTOA and any other right angle trigonometry. So we're going to have a new labeling system. So we're going to call any angle a capital letter. So in a basic triangle, we'll call them A, B, and C. And what we'll do is we'll call the length of the sides the lowercase version of those same letters. And to keep this really simple, if we have a capital A, the lowercase a is going to be directly opposite. So you always need to remember that they kind of match and they go in pairs, but the angle doesn't touch the side length with the same letter. All right, so we're going to have A, B, and C like that. Now, if we, I said that earlier that we can't really use right angle trigonometry. Well, we can't in that sense, but maybe if we created some right angle triangles, we could. So imagine that we had the height of this thing, right? Let's call it H for height. Now, that split the triangle into two right angle triangles. So now maybe we could work out some trigonometry. So for example, we can certainly say that the sine triangle, if you remember it, sine is SOH, right? Okay, we could use this perhaps to work out an expression for the height. So for example, using the right-hand triangle, we could say that the height is going to be the opposite. So it's going to be the sine of the angle, so sine of C, multiplied by the hypotenuse, which is A. So the height is equal to sine C multiplied by A. Okay, so how can this be useful? Well, we know a formula already for the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is half times the base times the height. Well, let's use that formula, but in the context of our triangle, well, it's going to be a half. The base, lucky for us, is B. Okay, you can see the base of the triangle is B. The height, we've just got an expression for that, and let's write it as A times sine, times sine of C. This will simplify to a half AB sine C. This is the new formula for the area of any triangle, and we'll be using it in the coming examples.